This simple habit cured my anxiety in 21 days. Have you ever felt like your mind just won't shut off? Like you're constantly stuck in a loop of overthinking, fear, or exhaustion? You're not alone. According to the World Health Organization, more than 300 million people around the world suffer from anxiety. That's nearly the population of the United States. But here's the twist. What if the solution wasn't in therapy, medication, or some expensive program? What if one simple habit could completely rewire your brain in just 21 days? That's exactly what happened to me. Stick around, because I'm going to walk you through the science, the story, and the exact step-by-step habit that helped me beat anxiety for good. Like this video if you've ever struggled with anxiety, and subscribe if you're ready to take control of your mind. I still remember the moment clearly. It was 2:47 a.m. I was wide awake. My chest was tight. My thoughts were racing. What if I mess up tomorrow? Why can't I stop thinking? Something's wrong with me. Panic attacks had become my new normal. I tried everything. Apps, breathing exercises, even medication. But nothing really stuck. Until I heard a neuroscientist say something that changed my life. Anxiety is not a disease. It's a pattern. That sentence shook me. Because if anxiety is a pattern, patterns can be broken. Let's talk brain science. Quick and simple. When you feel anxiety, your amygdala is in overdrive. That's the part of your brain that reacts to fear. It's supposed to keep you alive. But in modern life, it's constantly triggered by deadlines, social media, traffic, uncertainty. Now here's the key. Every time you respond to anxiety with worry, your brain creates a stronger neural pathway. That's called neuroplasticity. Your brain literally rewires itself to expect fear. But if you disrupt the pattern consistently, you can rewire your brain back to calm. And that's where the habit comes in. The habit is called the 3-minute reset. Here's how it works. Stop what you're doing when anxiety hits. Breathe deeply for 60 seconds. In 4s, hold 4s, out 6. Write down one thought that triggered the anxiety. Challenge the thought with evidence. Replace it with a neutral or positive statement. It takes less than 3 minutes. But when you do this daily, morning and night, for 21 days, something incredible happens. You break the loop. Your brain starts building a new pattern. Calm, pause, clarity. I call it mental pattern reversal. If you're still watching, comment reverse below so I know you're committed. The first day I tried it, it didn't feel like much. Just breathing and scribbling thoughts. But the second day, something clicked. I realized that I was treating my thoughts like facts, but they were just thoughts. By day 5, I wasn't panicking at small things anymore. I was observing. It felt like stepping out of the storm and watching it from a safe place. By day 10, my sleep improved. By day 14, I could handle stress without spiraling. By day 21, my anxiety attacks were gone. People started telling me, "You look calmer. You're different." I was. I had retrained my brain. Cortisol levels, stress hormone, drop when you practice mindful breathing. Cognitive behavioral therapy techniques, like thought replacement, are scientifically proven to reduce anxiety long-term. Mark, 42, used this habit and went from taking medication to managing his anxiety naturally. Emily, a college student, used it before exams and avoided panic attacks. It's universal. Doesn't matter if you're 18 or 58. It's not about fighting anxiety. It's about understanding it and interrupting the cycle. Share this video with someone who needs this habit today. Schedule 2. Daily resets, morning and night. Keep a small notebook or notes app just for your triggers. Track your changes. Sleep, focus, mood. Bonus. Pair it with light movement like walking or stretching for even better results. Consistency. Intensity. That's the rule. You don't need to do this perfectly. Just show up. Daily. For 21 days. If anxiety has taken pieces of your life away, you can take them back. One breath, one thought, one day at a time. This habit didn't just cure my anxiety, it gave me my life back. And I hope it does the same for you. Like, subscribe. Turn on notifications. Share with someone you love, and remember, your mind is not your enemy. It just needs new instructions.